MzeroA Nation, welcome back to the third week in February. I can't believe how quick we are flying through 2026. And just like I said in the Safer Pilot Challenge, we're here trying to make you the best pilot you can be for 2026. Today, I got a good one for you. I got Logan with me today, and his job is going to be to put me into some unusual attitudes. Now, unusual attitudes, a lot of this relies with instrument flying. It's a big thing that you are taught whenever it comes to instrument flying, but what it also does is if you are a VFR pilot, if you are to ever get into a VFR into IMC scenario, it is a great tool to be able to have this skill set to recover in the event that you unfortunately fly VFR into IMC. So with Logan being my safety pilot today, I got my good old Foggles. He's going to put me into some unusual attitude scenario. So without further ado, we are up at in the practice area, up at 4,500 feet. We have already done our clearing turns. So I'm going to act like the student in this scenario. So I apologize because I have my Foggles on. I can't necessarily see y'all anymore, but here I am as playing the role of a student, even though I'm over on the instructor side, where I'm just going to have my head in my lap and I'm going to practice on my recovery. So Logan's going to go ahead and take controls and start going on kind of, in a way, crazy, a little bit all over the place, and he's going to let me know whenever it's time to recover.
Leaving altitude.
And I'm getting a lot of sensations right now. This is something where it's important to pay attention, especially if you feel different things.
Recover.
All right, so I'm in a nose high, so I'm going to go ahead and pitch, roll, so I'm kind of level now, power, and I'm going to stabilize. So stabilizing back at my altitude in a cruise configuration setting. Get some trim in, get back down to my altitude. All right, so that was a scenario of a climbing and losing speed. So it's important to, whenever that upset happens, to push to break an impending stall, get a lesser critical angle of attack, roll the airplane, because this doesn't have to be uniform at the same time. You want to add that power in because you're getting slow, and then you want to stabilize the airplane. So I'm going to go ahead and look back down again. Logan's going to do his mighty fine work of putting me into another unusual attitude. And recover. All right, looking at it, I'm in nose low, so I want to level these wings first before putting the load on them. That's important.
Altitude.
I'm going to pull that power out just to ensure that I don't overspeed the airplane, and I want to get back into my instrument scan as quick as possible. So I want to obviously focus on the attitude, but now I know I'm on the heading I need to be. I'm back in a stable fashion, so now I'm just going to get back up into my attitude. But the important part of this is the difference in between the climb and the descent. And for us as instrument pilots or VFR pilots, the thing that I really want you to do is I really want to focus on your attitude. So without further ado, Logan, I'm going to give you back the flight controls.
Flight control.
You have the flight controls. But one thing I want to discuss is just how important it is to solely focus on a big picture of what the display is doing. And if any of our online ground school members know, we have the perceptual learning modules, what we went over in the first week of February, where we give you just little quick snippets of either a glass or a six-pack and introduce failures to keep you in tip-top shape on just what I was doing. A quick view of what my attitude is doing to, if I'm in an unusual attitude, of how to recover from that. So analyzing, figuring out what we are. Again, if we're in a climb, We need to add that power in and lower that angle of attack, get back stabilized. If we are in a descent with power in, we need to get that power out, level the wings first, and then input the load on the airplane to bring it back into stable flight. But for all of my instrument students and IFR pilots, if you haven't practiced unusual attitudes here in a little bit, I very much encourage you to go out and do so, because it is a life-saving maneuver. So I want to thank each and every one of you for joining, because remember, a good pilot is always learning.